This video will provide you with essential information on how to better manage the emotions and stress that come along with the process. You'll learn about some of the common challenges men face during divorce proceedings and how to address them in an effective way. Watch until the end, as we provide valuable advice that could help you save your marriage and even strengthen it after all is said and done. Divorce can be one of life's most difficult experiences. It's important to remember that while it can be a painful process, there are plenty of resources available to help make it easier on everyone involved, especially yourself. Here are some tips for managing your emotions during a divorce proceeding. Acknowledge any anger or hurt feelings, but try not to let these emotions take control. They won't benefit anyone in the long run. Take time away from your spouse if needed, but do not use this time as an opportunity for revenge. Talk openly about anything that bothers you without getting overly emotional or blaming others. Consider professional counseling or therapy if necessary. Remind yourself daily why you're going through with this decision. No matter how hard it may seem at times when handling issues related to children during a divorce proceeding, remember that their well-being should always remain top priority. Do not put children in the middle by asking them questions about their other parent or trying to get them on your side. Listen carefully when talking with kids. Acknowledge what they're saying without breaking down into tears or venting frustration towards each other. Discuss custody arrangements calmly and rationally. Focus on what works best for everyone involved rather than winning arguments at all costs. Statistics show many couples still opt against divorcing despite setbacks in their relationship, according to data collected across USA, UK, Australia, and Canada. Just 15 to 20 of marriages ultimately ended up dissolving, cite sources. While many factors can contribute towards deciding whether staying together is worth it or not, financial stability being one, consider taking steps like attending joint counseling sessions before making such an irreversible move. This may give both parties insight into where things went wrong and offer potential solutions, which could save both parties pain and suffering down the road. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website Divorce Lab Pro. We will connect you with a pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro. Acknowledge that divorce is a difficult process, one which will require strong emotional resilience and the capacity to manage your feelings. Understand that there are no winners in the divorce process. It is often a painful experience for both parties involved. Allow yourself time to grieve any losses associated with the marriage, such as dreams, hopes, or expectations you had before entering into the marriage. Take care of your health during this period by getting enough sleep and exercise. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as mindfulness or journaling practices or talk therapy. Remain mindful of any children involved in the situation, and try to minimize conflict between you and your partner when interacting with them. Don't be afraid to ask for help from friends and family if you find yourself struggling emotionally. Put effort into maintaining relationships with close friends throughout this process. They can provide an important source of emotional support during these times. Respect boundaries set by both parties, even if it means not communicating directly at all times. Communicate through lawyers instead whenever possible. Try not to take out frustrations on other people who have nothing to do with the situation, such as coworkers, as it won't resolve anything within your relationship, but could cause further harm outside of it. Stay focused on what matters, making sure everyone remains in good mental physical health throughout this time. Consider seeking professional counseling if needed so that you can gain clarity about how best to move forward while managing emotions along the way. Reach out to social workers or legal representatives so they can guide you through any necessary paperwork or processes related to filing for divorce according to laws applicable in each country: USA, UK, Australia, Canada. Avoid using drugs or alcohol as coping mechanisms due to their negative effects on mental physical well-being over time. Seek advice from experienced professionals regarding financial planning prior and post-divorce. Ensure that all assets are properly divided between both parties legally and equitably where appropriate. Remember that although divorce may be right for certain situations, unfortunately this does come at a cost both financially and emotionally, so plan ahead accordingly. Wherever possible, always aim towards saving marriages rather than getting divorced. Think about what needs fixing first before taking drastic measures like filing for a petition. Divorce proceedings don't have to mean endless strife between spouses. There are ways of navigating through them amicably if both sides agree upon taking those routes. Remembering why seeking out legal separation was originally considered is also key here. Understanding these reasons beforehand will aid greatly throughout mediation discussions later down line as pleasantries begin wearing thin. Always strive towards keeping communication open and honest. Doing so allows all matters brought up within court walls before taken care of more easily than expected. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro.